Home remedies for fast cold and flu relief. Since viruses are to blame for the common cold and flu, antibiotics won't make a difference in treating or preventing them. Unfortunately, viruses also result in a variety of symptoms, including chills, fever, runny nose, clogged sinuses, sore throat, coughing, headaches, and body pains. To help keep you healthy, ease symptoms, and cut the duration of a cold or the flu, try these home remedies. Your grandma was right. While it may not be a miracle cure, chicken soup is an excellent option when you're ill. The circulation of neutrophils in your body is slowed down when you eat a warm bowl of chicken soup. Neutrophils are a common form of white blood cell that aid in defending your body against illness. When they move slowly, they concentrate more on the parts of your body that need healing the most. Low-sodium soup also has a lot of nutrients and keeps you hydrated. Although ginger root has long been praised for its health advantages, we now have scientific evidence to support these claims. You can relieve a cough or sore throat by putting a few slices of raw ginger root in boiling water and making ginger tea. According to research, it also helps prevent the nausea that frequently comes along with the flu. Numerous bacterial and microbial defenses are present in honey. Did you know that drinking tea with lemon and honey is especially soothing for a sore throat? Honey is also a potent cough suppressor and works quickly to get rid of your cough. Allicin, a substance found in garlic, has antibacterial qualities. Incorporating a garlic supplement into your diet will lessen the intensity of cold symptoms and may even prevent you from getting sick in the first place. For more than 400 years, Native Americans have employed the herb and root of the echinacea plant to heal infections. Echinacea has the ability to strengthen the immune system and decrease inflammation, which goes a long way to preventing colds and flu. The numerous health advantages of vitamin C are already quite well known. But did you know that upper respiratory tract infections can be treated by getting enough vitamin C? Lemons, limes, oranges, grapefruits, leafy greens, and other fruits and vegetables are all great sources of vitamin C. When you start to feel a cold coming on, adding fresh lemon juice to hot tea with honey helps to minimize phlegm. Friendly bacteria and yeast are known as probiotics, and can be found in your own body and even some foods. Probiotics, such as yogurt, aid in the immune system's defense against flu viruses and can lower your risk of contracting an upper respiratory infection. Salt water gargling can aid in preventing upper respiratory infections and decrease the severity of cold symptoms. It works best for relieving nasal congestion and painful throat discomfort. Gargling with salt water also helps to decrease and remove mucus, which harbors allergens and microorganisms. For best results, dissolve 1 teaspoon of salt in a full glass of water, gargle, and then spit. The overwhelming best advice for recovering rapidly from a cold or flu virus is to stay hydrated. Your body has a built-in capability to naturally remove germs from your system when you're well hydrated. If you have a virus, it's advised that you consume 64 ounces of liquids a day. If you suffer from congestive heart failure, check with your doctor first before consuming that much liquid. Using aromatherapy, such as camphor or menthol salve under your nose, can easily break up mucus. Additionally, inhaling aromatherapy oils like eucalyptus and peppermint will help clear up congestion quickly. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.